Sabeeh here, and in this video I am going to tell you guys about my top 5 unique apps for Android. I have been using these apps for over 2 months now, and I would totally recommend you to download these applications. So the first application is Edit Webpage. This application allows you to edit web pages and make them look like they were original. For example, if you open my YouTube channel on this application, I can easily edit the number of subscribers I have. I can make them whatever I want. I can make them a million and whatever I want. They won't change in real life, but they would change here for a screenshot, and you can use that screenshot to prank your friends. I have done that a couple of times and that was pretty funny. So the next application is Maid. Now this application allows you to clear the data storage of your phone, and this application is unique in a way because it allows you to delete corpse finder. Corpse finders are the files that are left behind when you delete some application. I haven't found any other storage cleaning app like Clean Master that would allow you to delete these corpse files. So in order to delete those, you just have to search for them, and the application would scan for corpse files and would display the list of them and would allow you to delete them. Now this application has been very handy for me. I have deleted a lot of data, and this application has a lot of categories like deleting duplicate files, deleting the system overall, deleting the junk, and this is a really handy application. So I would definitely recommend you to install it, especially if you are running out of storage. Now the third application I would recommend you to install is Lightroom CC. Lightroom CC on phone is like a smaller version of the Lightroom for computer, and in fact I haven't even downloaded Lightroom on my computer. This application on my phone has a lot of tools that can help me in editing, and I did not find the need to download the full version on my computer. And this application is totally free on Google Play Store. I would link it in the description. If I forget, do remind me in the comments please. And this application works really good. It has a lot of controls, and this is a fully professional application. And if you do not know how to control these professional things and all that, I would recommend you to download Snapseed instead. Snapseed is made by Google LLC, basically Google, and this is also a photo editing application. It is a great application, and I have edited a lot of photos on Snapseed as well. Snapseed is really easy to use, and I would definitely recommend you guys to install it if you don't want to install Lightroom CC. Now the fourth application I would recommend you to download is RecForge 2. Now if you are a content creator or a YouTuber, I would definitely recommend you to install this application. It will allow you to record your audio through your phone, and it will give you many professional controls like adjusting the sensitivity of your microphone, and I have found that really handy. And this application works better than the stock application I got on my Samsung phone, and not many applications actually allow you to adjust the sensitivity of your microphone. So I really found this application pretty good. So the fifth and the last application I would recommend you to install is LightX. Now LightX is a lot like Photoshop because it gives you a lot of controls to edit your image. For example, it would allow you to select your photo and change the background of the person and stuff like that. And this is a very similar application to Photoshop, so I would definitely recommend you to install it and play around with it. I'm sure when you start understanding this application, you would be really good at it, and it also offers you some video tutorials to do some stuff. So this application is really cool. If you have any unique applications that you use on your phone, do comment them down below. I would definitely love to check them out, and please follow me on social media. I would really appreciate that. Peace and Assalamu Alaikum.